Welcome back to our channel. 3 cats and one. No.
3 cats and 1 child. Okay, retake.
Welcome to 3 kids and 1 cat. And we have a special guest, Jill, our cousin. And we're at Lagoon.
Kensley, what do you have to say?
Hi. And on a scary night.
I was telling my girls that I get really scared on roller coasters too. And that when I was a little girl, I cried more than they did.
We are eating pizza. My mom's eating Mexican.
Did you like honey?
We're going to go up, and we're in a water one. And that's what it's going to look like. Okay, we're really close to it. We just came back from the log and the rattlesnake rapids.
What color do you want?
Blue.
Require any assistance, please signal the ride operator now.
It's time.
It's time.
It's almost time.
Please sit back completely against the seat and fasten your safety belts.
Another scary ride, and then our second ride was Cannibal that I hated. When I go upside down, I feel like I'm gonna fall down and die.